Good morning, ID 5030 students. I am Danielle Phillipson, and I will be your instructor for this class. Wanted to mention that this class is pretty intense. There's a lot of work to do, and with the compressed timeline due to the changes in the PSU schedule, it may feel like a lot. But I want to assure you two things. Number one, if you communicate with me, I can work with you. We can figure it out together. And number two, I don't expect perfection. And so some of you may not have worked with Canvas before, and that's okay. I'm not imagining that you would have a perfect Canvas course built at the end of this. The idea is to give you that experience and practice with another system, because you can apply that as you work with even different systems than Canvas or Moodle. And so if you have questions, please let me know. Please communicate early and often. I want everyone to just take a really deep breath and know that this is going to be a great class. You're going to learn a lot, and we're here to work together. Have a great day.